Hey, what's up, Dancing Astronaut? We've got 7 Lions, Kill the Noise, and Tritonal here right now on the Horizon Tour.
All right, let's do it. Here we go. Questions in the hat.
The hat.
The hat.
I'm gonna shake them up while you guys
First
are waiting.
question here. Some say dubstep is dead. What do you say to that?
Oh, that's a good one.
That's a good one, but I think it's alive. Definitely alive. That sound is alive.
You heard it here, folks. You heard it here.
You can't kill what's already dead.
All right, here it is. Who are some of your biggest influences of your sound? Well, early on, Dave and I, as a historical reference, used to listen. Well, Dave was in Washington, D.C., and I was in Texas, and we were little internet pals. And we used to team up every Friday night and listen to Above and Beyond's Trance Around the World together. And we would psychoanalyze all the records and talk shit about how we felt like we could do a better job.
Oh, whoa. My turn? I hope I get a nice one. Let's see what we got. Favorite 90s jam? Easy, man. Fucking Vanilla Ice, the fucking Ninja Turtles, Go Ninja. Go Ninja, go Ninja, go. I don't know.
Go Ninja, go Ninja, go.
I don't know if that's my favorite one, but that's the first thing I thought of. But I've also been drinking a little bit.
I like that.
So yeah, hey.
Just so you might get like a Kill the Noise one. Any tips for aspiring dubstep producers? I learned everything I know from Kill the Noise, so this is not a question. No, any tips? I don't know, just try and find your own sound because, you know, I mean, it's good to like learn what other people are doing and learn technique and like create, you know, like learn what other people are doing for sure, but then take that knowledge and try something new is the whole point. So that's my tip. Hey, Dancing Astronaut, this is Kill the Noise, Tritonal, and 7 Lions signing off. Thanks for having our shenanigans. Peace.
Big up.